Hello, Mrs. Robinson's here, and today we're going to be working on Solo 2 for Groovin for the first time. We're going to work through it kind of slowly. It's kind of a difficult piece. If you don't know A string notes, then this will be really tough for you. But if you do know your A string notes, we can get started on this. So the first thing we're going to look at with Solo 2 is the first two measures. We have E, F natural. Remember, it's all F natural in this piece. G, and then back to an E. And it's written as eighth notes with a tie. But as you know that we're playing jazz, we're going to be swinging these notes a little bit. So instead of playing it the way it looks like it should be played, which is, we're going to do a little swing on that. So we're going to go, right? The first note of the eighth note is going to be a little longer than the second. So we have E, E, F, G, E. Remember, cello players, you're playing second finger on this song and not third. E, F, G, E, and then we'll do that again. E, F, G, E. Let's practice that just 2 times with that little nugget. Okay, practice it slowly, and then when your fingers are ready, you can go faster. The next part starts again on the E, and it looks like we're going to do the same thing again, but it changes up. E, F, G, E, D on the A string. Third finger, fourth finger for cello. D, B. All right, so the next 2 measures are going to go like this. Okay, one more time for that. And then when we're done with that, we have a bow lift. That may not be indicated in the music, but the next note after that's going to be a down bow. So you want to make sure you do a bow lift. So the entire first line of the Solo 2, we're going to go slowly. And. And a bow lift. Okay, that gets you through the first line. The second line of Solo 2 starts on that B. So we go B, A, G, F. Well, remember, that's the low 2 there. And then we're going to do that a second time as well. B, A, G, F. Let's practice that. It sounds a little weird right now, but when you play it with the accompaniment, it sounds just fine. All right, so we did that twice. We're going to then continue with an E. E, F, G, A, G, F, E. And you notice I used fourth finger if I'm playing violin or viola. It really comes in handy because when you're going fast, it's easier. Like I always say, pick your problem. The problem here is that you got to get your fourth finger on, play it in tune. Otherwise, you'd be going to the A string, and that's a little more awkward, and you're going to be doing this quickly. E, F, G, A, G, F, E. Let me play that a couple times for you. Again. Okay, so the whole second line, go back to the B. The B, play the whole second line. Ready, 2, 3, go. Another bow lift. There's a bow lift at the end of each line. Okay. The last line, we're going to start with that fourth finger again. If you play cello, sorry, you have to use A string. But the notes we're going to play are A, G, E, A, G, E, A, G, E, A. Right? So it happens kind of 3 times in a row. The third time, it's a little faster than the first 2. Let's hear what that sounds like. You can go to A string on the very last note. That's fine. One more time with that. Third line. Ready, 2, 3, go. Okay, and then we have 2 more measures left. We're going to go up to D on the A string. Let me show you this way. D on the A string, and then a C natural. We did low 2s on D string. Now we're going to do low 2 on A string as well, because there are no sharps written in the song. D, C, A, G, F natural, G, E. 3, 2, A, 3, 2, 3, 1. Cello fingers. 4, 2, A, 4, 2, 4, 1. Okay? Let me play it a couple times for you, and then we're going to try the whole second solo. And again. Okay, the entire last line. So we're going back to this part where we start with the A, G, E, A. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and. 3 fingers. Okay, now let's play the entire solo 2 really slowly, and then we'll try it one time with the accompaniment. Here we go. Starts on E. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bow lift. Another bow lift. Bow lift before you go on. All right, so I'm going to turn on the accompaniment for that. Give me a second, because I have it here in iTunes. All right, I think I'm ready. Ready to go. Get ready. Let's take it back to the very beginning and play tune, solo 1, solo 2. Remember the 3rd line on your page, we're not playing right now. Just skip that line, go on. All right, let's see how we do.
One, two, 1, 2, 3.
Solo 1. We'll do the entire song in another lesson, but that is something that you need to practice on a bit, and you can always use this video multiple times to do that. So in the meantime, keep practicing. Be well. Bye-bye.